Hi, I'm Sonal and I'm 37 years old. And before camp, I have tried not about everything, but I thought I found things that worked for me, and I just had a big struggle with keeping my weight down and knowing which exercises would work well for me. What I did was one time had great success with Weight Watchers, so I thought that was my ticket. That's the way to do it. But the more I tried, the worse it got, and the older I got, the more I struggled with that. And knowing too that I'm quite unhealthy, just to stay within my points, that bothered me, and the fact that I didn't lose any weight after a while. Also, I kept running on my treadmill, but didn't have any results. So that was my life before camp, up and down and a big struggle, mentally too. Just running, eating what I think is right, and then having a result. So I joined camp in May of this year, I think. But it's been wonderful. I love it. I absolutely love it. I love the hard work we do. I would never have pushed myself this hard, but it's a good feeling. And also the nutrition that goes with that is just helping me so much, not having to guess what to do, and always having the opportunity to talk to Angela about what's best for me to do. So I love camp. If you think of doing it, I would absolutely recommend it, and today is the day to start.